Today, I'll teach you how to crochet a macrame net bag. Be sure to see the end, there are surprises waiting for you. Don't forget to click like subscription if you like to open the little bell. This bag is small and exquisite. It is very suitable for hot summer. The wire I use is relatively thick, about 4.0 millimeters crochet. The main color is dirty pink. The color of wrapping is taro color. You can change the color when crocheting. Because our bags are knitted with wool hooks, it will be more tensile. What if practicality is considered? We can sew a lining ourselves. Next, let's start crocheting. First, tie a loose knot on your finger. The crochet is threaded into the needle lifting ring. Then continue to inform 116 chain stitches. What about 116 chain stitches? We then crochet turning chains. Then return to the penultimate needle. Thread the needle outward from the center of the braid. Pick up only half the line outside. Crochet 1 single stitch. Then hook out 8 single sticks and turn. This is the location of the bag mouth. A total of 9 single stitches were crocheted. Then continue to crochet 1, 2, 3 and 3 chain stitches. Similarly, skip 3 needle holes below without hook. Come to the 4th needle. Crochet a single stitch. This is the first small hollow out. Then crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 locking needles. Similarly, skip 6 locking pins and do not hook. Come to the 7th. A single stitch is crocheted in the chain stitches. Take a look. At the beginning, 9 single stitches were crocheted, a small hollow, and a big hollow out. Next, continue to crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chain stitches. Skip the same 6 needle holes below without hook. Come to the 7th stitch and hook and weave a single stitch. According to this method, the middle part is 13 large hollows need to be woven with hooks. Next, let's repeat the crocheting. "13 large hollows. After crocheting, we return to the starting position. First, 9 single stitches, 1 small hollows and 13 large hollows were crocheted. We are symmetrical. Now we have 12 needles left. Continue to crochet 3 chain stitches. 3 needle eyes have been selected below without hook. Come to the 4th stitch and hook and weave a single stitch. The hook weaves a small hollow out. Then continue to crochet 8 single sticks. So, the first line is over. Next, let's crochet the second line. First, crochet turning chains. Turn the fabric over. Let's go to the back for the second line. First, hook 9 single stitches. After 9 single stitches are woven, we began to crochet large hollows. First, crochet 6 chain stitches. Effect: the first small hollow is not enough. Come to the second big hollow. Directly crochet a single stitch. Next, crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 66 chain stitches. Come to the next big hollow. Crochet single stitches connection. What about our second lap? This is how the hollow part is repeatedly crocheted. A total of 15 large hollows are crocheted. What about the last hollow out? We are crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chain stitches. Then jump directly over a small hollow in front. Come to the first single stitches. Crochet single stitch. Then continue to crochet 8 single sticks. After 8 single stitches are crocheted, our second line is over. Then hook and weave a turning chains. Turn the fabric over. We began to crochet line 3. In fact, lines 1 to 2 have completed a set of patterns. We only need to repeat 3 to 4 lines. Hook method for lines 1 to 2. The difference from the first circle lies in the 9 single stitches at the ruler. We only hook the outer half of the needle. Thread the needle outward from the center of the braid. Pick up only half the line outside. Crochet 9 single sticks. After 9 single stitches are crocheted, continue to crochet 1, 2, 3 chain stitches. Then with the first big hollow, hook a single stitch for connection. Continue to crochet 6 chain stitches. Hook and weave a single stitches connection with the second big fall. Next, continue to crochet 6 chain stitches. Connect with the third hollow. We repeat crocheting. Have been crocheting 13 large hollows. After weaving 13 large hollow hooks, we continue to crochet 1, 2, 3 chain stitches directly at the first single stitches. Crochet single stitch that hooks only the outer half of the needle. Then continue to crochet 8 outer half stitches single stitches. After 9 single stitches are finished, the third lap is over. Then hook and weave a turning chains. Turn the fabric over. We began to crochet line 4. In line 4, we pick 2 complete lines. Crochet 9 single sticks. After 9 single stitches are crocheted, let's turn to his front to see the positive effect. Then continue to crochet 6 chain stitches. Skip the first small hollow step hook. Come to the second big hollow. Crochet single stitches connection. Next, continue to crochet 6 single stitches. Come to the next hollow. Crochet single stitches connection. We repeat the crochet later. The fourth line is the same as our second line. We will repeat crocheting here. Let's take a look at how the downing number is counted. We came to hook 9 single stitches. You can see 2 big bulges. A large bulge represents 2 lines. Now there are 2 large bulges representing 4 rows. We are hooked to 28 rows altogether. There are 4 bulges. Line 28 after crocheting. We crochet turning chains. Pull the thread end out. Taut. In this way, we will finish the main part. Let's take a look at its general effect. It is a long strip. Both ends are tight single stitches. The hollow part is in the middle. Next, we are at the top of both ends. Partial lateral edging of single sticks. This is the way I wrapped it. I'll give you the other side. Demonstrate turning over to the front of the fabric first. That is, there will be a convex edge. This side is our front. Insert the needle from the right edge. Line to bring in the color of wrapping. Crochet turning chains. Then put it into the copper needle wood. Continue to crochet a single stitch. What about our row? A total of 28 single sticks can be hooked. After 28 single stitches are crocheted, the first line of wrapping ends. Then hook and weave a turning chains. Turn the fabric over. We began to crochet line 2. We can see every needle. Thread the needle outward from the center of the braid. The outer half thread is the outer half needle. The inner half thread is the inner half needle. We only pick the inner line segments to knit. Crochet 28 single sticks. 28 inner half stitches after single stitches. We crochet turning chains. Turn the fabric over. Start crocheting line 3. The third line is also hooked to 28 single stitches. We only hook the outer half of his needle. That is, the line far from our body. "28 outer half stitches after single stitches. Let's not break the line. Then hook the side edging. Crochet turning chains. Thread into the first needle eye. The wrapping position is in the 3 horizontal lines. Pick out 3 single stitches. Then in the lower 9 needle holes. Continue to crochet 9 single sticks. After 9 single stitches are crocheted, we came to the first small hollow in front. Crochet single stitch. Then in each hollow in the back. Crochet single stitch. What about when we crochet single sticks? You don't need to pull too tight, a little looser. Hook it to another bread mouth. We continue to crochet 9 single sticks. After 9 single stitches are crocheted, we continue to crochet 3 single sticks. In this way, we connect the sides. Next, we continue to crochet 50 chain stitches as part of the handle. 50 chain stitches. Okay, then we go straight to the left side of the bag. In these 3 horizontal lines, 3 single stitches are woven from the hook. Then continue to crochet 9 single stitches in the wrapping part. After 9 single stitches are woven, can we have a look at our handle? It's connected. Next, it is the same as the right wrapping. We weave a single stitch in each hollow. They're hollows. After crocheting, we return to the wrapping position. Continue to crochet 9 single sticks. Then continue in the horizontal wrapping position. Pick out 3 single stitches. Then it's the same as the other side. The hook weaves 50 chain stitches as the handle part. "50 chain stitches after knitting and left. The first needle at the wrapping position. Crochet slip stitches connection. Then hook and weave a turning chains. Then surround the mouth of the bag. Single stitches. We're straight on the outside half of the line. Single stitches from the center of the braid. According to this hook method, hook all the way to the wrapping position on the other side, on the side of the bag when we finish crocheting. We came to the handle position. We're on the 50 chain stitches in the handle. Straight outer half needle. Crochet 50 single sticks. Later, we'll repeat the crochet. Single stitches crocheted with straight pick outer half needle. What happens when the handle is hooked? The left side of our bag continues to knit. Then continue to crochet the tape part on the other side. After the first loop of overall edging is crocheted, we in the first needle. Crochet slip stitches end. Then hook and weave a turning chains. We began to crochet the 3rd to 4th turns. The hook method of 3 to 4 circles is the same as that of the 2nd circle. Straight pick outer half stitch. Next, let's repeat the crocheting. Edging on line 4. After we finish knitting, Knit a slip stitch with the first stitch. Cut it first and leave a long thread. Thread pull out. Hide the end of the thread with a hand sewing needle. Such a lovely little net bag. We'll finish the crocheting.